Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change this seal. This is what we call crankshaft flywheel seal. So this is the sitting. This is the seal. This is the old one. The first thing I have to do is to remove it from there. This is the old one. Now, what's the problem of this one? If you look around here, this edge here is kicked. It's very strong. It cannot hold oil again. But as you can check this new one is very, very flexible. It's very, very flexible. So today I'm going to show you how to change it. The first thing we have to do is that after removing the old one, you have gotten the new one. You remove the old ring, the ring, and open it. Find the mouth and open it. Then you adjust it by cutting it off, which I've already done. So now I'm putting it back. Then I'm inserting it. Now the first thing we are going to do is to clean the area where we are going to insert this thing. So now we are done cleaning the parts. The next thing we are going to do is to insert the seal. Start the seal here. So the first thing we are going to do is to add gum around here so that it can be able to lap very well and there will be no leakage. Okay. Now we are going in. You put it here so you can be able to enter them. Go this way. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Can you see it? That's how you roll. It's now all fitted.